Check out this solar electric RV that is both a camper and an electric boat and an e-bike. That's you, Mo.
Yeah, RVs.
Mo, you can do it, man. You can pull this off.
Right.
No?
Where do I attach Kovu?
Well, he goes on the platform there.
Right,
He's
okay.
the security. You're in a good climate.
Whoa, what is that at the front?
It's a bike. Oh, it's a boat.
It's a boat?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a boat.
A bike, a boat, and an RV in one.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Here we go. Look at this.
This is kind of cool then.
Come on, man. You're now the sleeping a little claustrophobic, a tiny bit. The sleeping?
Yeah.
House, boat, trike, 100% electric. It has solar on it. The on-land speed is 5 times faster, 15 miles per hour, 25 kilometers an hour. A 1,000 watt e-bike mid-drive motor powers it up inclines and helps it maintain 15 miles per hour. Okay, here we go. This is going to break it down for you. They're having coffee on one. I don't know. She's kind of cramped over there. She's banging her head.
Mm-hmm.
They're sleeping. So I'm guessing that your head is in the more open area and your legs go into the narrow
Little tray over there.
portion. So your legs don't have as much mobility for the turning around. But at least your head is in a bigger enclosure.
Mm-hmm.
Now, my only thing is where are you going to go for a sleep? Like you got to be at like a campsite or something? In a
Oh, you
parking
mean
lot,
where you
that's a
parking
little
this?
much.
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
No,
Where-
you got to be far away from.
But you got a bike there. However far away you get, you got a bike there on your e-bike
Also, you got to bike this thing around.
at 15 miles an hour. So how far away are you going to get from civilization?
Well, maybe you can just take a boat ride.
This boat is kind
'Cause
of
it's a
cool,
boat.
man.
I mean, it's a
Right?
bit of a terrifying boat. Waves start coming at you.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even think about that.
Kind of looks like a coffin.
But the looks like the wheels could go on the side. Jeez, Lou. You can't say that.
I don't know, man. I'm just saying the weather starts to turn. You're in that one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, it has the balancers, right?
Mm-hmm.
You call that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So if there are waves, I mean, it's not going to roll you over.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, yeah.
Right. It solves all your problems.
You're right, Will. This thing's ready for anything. Okay, let's play the
I
video.
mean, come on.
No,
Oh,
it's nutty.
This is
Let's
fun.
play the video. It's fun. It's definitely fun. I'm not saying it's not fun.
Whoa, very epic intro.
Future.
It's got solar panels, you know.
Z Triton 2.0. Boat, tricycle, camper in one. You know what? It's kind of flying. It's kind of going. You gotta love human ingenuity. Like this guy,
is really cool.
this guy
actually.
decided I need this thing, and he built it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, so he's solving a problem he had.
Sure looks like it. That's usually how the craziest contraptions come to be.
Yeah. Oh, wow. He's designing it in his house.
Wonder what it's made out of. Fiberglass?
This is a cool story he's telling.
Would you call him a storyteller? Storytelling's going to be big this year.
You don't say.
Going to be huge this year.
Well, yeah. He fabricated it.
It's nutty. It's nutty that he actually made it. How much does he want you to pay for it? It's definitely not going to be for everyone, but I'm glad it exists. I hope that there's some sort of a business model for it.
Oh, look at that.
The
kinda
kids,
like
the kids
a
are going to
rudder.
love it. The kids are definitely going to love it.
I like this. This is a
There it is.
cool little thing.
It's going to be, if you run into trouble out there on the water.
You're really worried about this water thing.
No, I'm just, because you have to have things, right? When you're out there, like a radio
and like life
protocol
jacket
and
and
whatever
stuff
else.
like that.
So you run into trouble out in the middle of a lake or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be kind of embarrassing getting rescued.
Wouldn't
You're
that
like,
be just in any case?
You're like, how do you describe what you're in?
Oh. I'm in a blue coffin floating in the.
It's a bike that's in the water. It's also
But I
a
sleep in
camper.
it.
It's a camper. It's a camper bike in the water. And I'm having real difficulty here. I got water coming in. And they're like, you're in a what? Is it a boat, sir? You're like, well, right now it is, but I biked in here. They're not coming. They're like, we don't believe this guy.
No.
This guy's talking
Just
too
say
much.
it's a boat. Say you're in a really small boat, but the bike is still on the back when you're in the water. It's so weird looking. It looks like it's already sinking. Go back to the image in the water. No, you just had it on that website that you were on. Yeah, just there. Like it looks like.
No, it's not. It's fine.
It looks like. Pause that on that frame. Go back when it's in the water. Like if you just saw that from a distance, you would think something was wrong.
Of course, because there's a bike attached to the front.
It looks like it's like somebody had a bike, was transporting a bike on a boat, and it half sunk.
Right.
If you didn't see before all the other things this was, you would just be like, what? Why is there a plant on top? Like, it looks like it's been in a crash of some kind.
Yeah.
So the Coast Guard is going to need to be aware of this thing. So they're not
This contraption.
they're not too worried about it when they see it out there once it becomes
What did he say he was selling it for?
15,000.
Yeah. It's called the Z Triton 2.0 from B Triton.
Cool. A little expensive. Oh, they have a rent option.
Oh, okay. Let's rent it. I'll rent.
Yeah.
I'll rent. But I probably got to go to Europe. I got to go to Latvia to rent.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Well, we are currently fully booked. You see?
People
love.
like.
They love. Well, $60 a day is not bad at all.
Yeah,
No.
it really isn't.
You get 2 of these, you know? Just
What do
go
you
out
mean?
in the ocean.
Ocean?
Or the lake. The lake.
Cross the
Well, you want to
Atlantic.
be really risky
Cross the
and
Atlantic.
like it.
adventurous. Yeah. This might be fun. I don't
Oh, it's fun. It's definitely fun. No doubt it's fun.
They should, we should test this thing
No
out.
doubt it's fun.
Yeah. On the ocean there.
I have no doubts.
Yeah.
I just want really calm water for something like that. Very calm.
Yeah.
Like, I wouldn't even take that out in Georgian Bay or anything like that. Like, I need a lake like that. Like, super still and calm. You got to be checking the weather report before that one.